welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful square. As you can see, it features a flower and I used this square for my vintage headband. I will be linking that in the description box. So for this project, you will be needing Paintbox yarns. I used cotton Aran, but you can use any Aran medium 4 yarn of your preference. And this yarn is 100% cotton, and that's what I have left of this skein of yarn. You will also be needing a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle, and that's it. I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. So to begin this tutorial, you will take your yarn and create a slip knot. So I've just created a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now what you will be doing is chaining 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And once you've chained 4, you are going to be slip stitching through the first chain to close off, to create a circle like so. And so once you've done this, we are going to be working within this center. So now chain 1, and this counts as a single crochet. And now we will be placing 7 single crochets within this center. So to create your single crochet, pop your hook directly through, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a single crochet. And you are going to be sewing in the loose end, or working in the loose end as we go, because then it will be easier. So you've placed 1 single crochet, and the first chain 1 counts also as a single crochet. So now you are going to be placing 6 more single crochets within this center, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've placed all my single crochets, and the first chain 1, like I said, counts as a single crochet. So that means this creates 8 single crochets total. Now slip stitch through the first chain 1 that you made to close off this round, and that's it for round 1. And later on we will be pulling on this loose end just to close the center. So now that you've done round 1, for round 2 chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and that counts as a double crochet. And now you are going to be placing 2 more double crochets within this same stitch. So to create your double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. And just add 1 more, and that creates 3 double crochets together. So now you are going to be chaining 1 and going directly into the next stitch with 3 double crochets in that single crochet from the previous row. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and again place 3 double crochets in the next stitch, and chain 1, 3 double crochets and just carry this on, and just carry this pattern on until you reach the end of this round, where you should have 8 clusters of 3 double crochets, and I'll show you how to finish off this round. So I've created my 8 clusters of 3 double crochets, and to finish off this round, chain 1 and slip stitch through the chain 3 that we did, like so. And this is round 2. So now for round 3, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this time we are going to be turning our work because we will be working in this space. So this first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now you are going to be going into this space with 2 more double crochets, and that means we will have 3 double crochets in total, as the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Chain 2 and place 3 more double crochets in this space, and that creates our first corner for this square. Now go directly into the next space with 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and now go directly into the next space with 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Go into the next space with a simple cluster of 3 double crochets, and as you can see, we are alternating corners and simple clusters of 3 double crochets. So the next space will be 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll let you carry on. So in the next space, just place 3 double crochets and then go directly into the next space with 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then go directly into the next and last space with 3 double crochets, and then I'll show you what to do then. So there we go, I've gone all the way around, and now to finish off this round, I'm going to slip stitch through the first chain 3 that we did, like so, and we are simply going to be fastening off our yarn and pull through to finish off this square. And now, like I said, just pull this gently and fasten it, tidy up all your loose ends.